Hi guys, how are you? Here is 6 best laptop table and study table for you. Portronics POR-704. It has a portable design. You can place your laptop and mouse on it. It has a noiseless cooling fan. Table is strong and adjustable. It can adjust angle up to 30 degrees. The material is MDF board and the product weight is 2 kg. Ebee. Ebee is a strong and adjustable laptop table. It has a place to keep mouse. There is no cooling fan on this table, but it has an air vent. It has an adjustable height and angle. Material is MDF board. The product weight is 3 kg. Tarkan Classico. It has a 4-wheel button design. It is very easy to move and lock. It has adjustable height. Maximum height is 36 inch. Material is premium quality plywood. Multipurpose use like laptop table and study table. Best to use near to sofa and in bedroom. MemeHo. It has a compact and sturdy design. It is coming with a dock stand for tablets. It has non-slip legs. It is foldable and portable. No cooling fan is provided on this table. Material is high density board and steel pipe. Product weight is 2.4 kg. Kurtzy. It has a space-saving design. It is strong, portable and adjustable. It is coming with a 4-wheel caster with lock. It has a 3-level height adjustment. Tabletop angle is up to 90 degrees. Material is high wood and steel. Product weight is 4.2 kg. FWQPRA T8. It has a compact design, strong and adjustable. It has place to keep mouse. Legs are 360 degree foldable. You can set it to different custom posture. It has a self-locking joints. It's coming with a built-in cooling fan. Product weight is 2 kg. All the product links are given in the video description. If you are interested, use the product link to purchase and it will support my channel. Thank you.